Have you ever noticed that the moment you start chasing someone, they suddenly start paying attention? Have you wondered why a man who seemed distant suddenly becomes curious the moment you begin living your own life? Many women believe that constantly praising a man, agreeing with everything he says, or making him feel like the center of their world will make him love them more. In reality, endless validation often loses its value because it becomes expected instead of appreciated. When someone never has to earn your admiration, they may stop recognizing how meaningful it truly is. Healthy attraction grows when both people feel respected, but neither person depends entirely on the other's approval to feel worthy. A confident woman understands that her value comes from within, not from how often someone compliments her or notices her. She speaks her mind, expresses her opinions respectfully, and isn't afraid to disagree when something doesn't align with her values. That quiet confidence can be far more attractive than constantly trying to impress someone. Instead of spending all your energy boosting his confidence, redirect some of that energy toward becoming the strongest version of yourself. Invest in your personal growth. Learn new skills. Take care of your health. Pursue your passions. And surround yourself with people who encourage your success. When your life becomes full of purpose, your confidence naturally shines through. Many people are drawn to those who have their own direction and identity because genuine confidence cannot be faked. A man notices when a woman no longer seeks constant reassurance from you. He begins to see someone who is emotionally secure, independent, and capable of creating happiness without relying on his attention. That change often earns greater respect because it shows emotional maturity rather than emotional dependence. Your presence becomes more meaningful when it comes from choice instead of need. Confidence speaks quietly but leaves a lasting impression, and self-respect communicates a message that words never could. The more you value yourself, the more likely others are to recognize that value as well. Because people often respond to the standards you consistently set for your own life and the quiet strength you display every day. One of the biggest mistakes people make in relationships is believing that being available every minute of the day proves love. They answer every text within seconds, cancel plans at the last moment, and rearrange their entire schedule whenever the other person asks. While kindness and effort are important, constantly making yourself available can unintentionally communicate that your own time has less value than theirs. The confident woman understands that her time is precious because it represents her goals, responsibilities, passions, and personal growth. She doesn't ignore someone to play games, but she also doesn't abandon her own life just to keep another person happy. She has hobbies that excite her, friendships she nurtures, dreams she's working toward, and commitments she respects. When a man realizes that he has to make an effort to be part of her busy and fulfilling life, he often begins to appreciate her time much more. This isn't about creating fake distance or pretending not to care. It's about showing that your world is complete with or without someone else's constant attention. The healthiest relationships are built between two people who each have meaningful lives outside of the relationship. When you continue investing in your career, improving your skills, staying active, spending time with family, and pursuing your ambitions, you naturally become more interesting and more confident. Your conversations become richer because you're constantly growing and experiencing new things. Your happiness no longer depends on whether someone texts you immediately or gives you attention every hour of the day. That emotional independence creates a sense of stability that many people find deeply attractive. Instead of waiting for someone else to make your life exciting, become the person who creates excitement for yourself. When your time is respected by you first, others are far more likely to respect it as well. True value comes from living a life that feels meaningful, purposeful, and balanced, rather than making one person the center of your entire world. Sometimes the strongest message you can send isn't through a long conversation or an emotional text. It's by allowing someone to experience what life feels like without your constant presence. Many people become so accustomed to receiving daily attention, quick replies, and endless emotional support that they stop recognizing how valuable those things truly are. When you are always the one initiating conversations, checking in first, solving problems, or carrying the emotional weight of the relationship, the balance begins to shift. Instead of appreciating your effort, the other person may simply come to expect it. That's why stepping back can create an important moment of clarity. It gives both people the opportunity to reflect on the relationship without pressure or constant reassurance. This doesn't mean disappearing to manipulate someone's emotions or trying to make them jealous. It means giving yourself the same space and attention you've been giving to someone else. During that time, focus on your own happiness. Spend time with family and friends. Work towards your goals, explore new interests, and continue building a life that feels meaningful regardless of anyone else's choices. If a man genuinely values your presence, he will begin to notice the difference when you're no longer doing all the work to keep the connection alive. He may realize that your kindness, consistency, and support will never guarantee they were gifts you chose to give. That realization often leads to greater appreciation because people tend to recognize value more clearly when they have the opportunity to miss it. At the same time, this period of distance can teach you something equally important. It reveals whether the relationship has been built on mutual effort or one-sided sacrifice. A healthy relationship requires two people who willingly invest in each other. If someone only reaches out when you stop chasing them, you'll gain valuable insight into the true nature of the connection. By allowing space instead of forcing closeness, you protect your peace, strengthen your self-respect, and create room for relationships that are based on genuine interest rather than constant pursuit. One of the most powerful things you can do in any relationship is refuse to compete for someone's attention. The moment you feel like you have to convince a man to choose you, prove your worth, or outshine someone else, you've already forgotten one important truth. Genuine love is never a competition. A woman who truly values herself doesn't spend her time comparing herself to other women or trying to become whoever she thinks a man wants her to be. She understands that authenticity is far more attractive than perfection. She knows her strengths, accepts her imperfections, and refuses to sacrifice her identity just to gain someone's approval. When a man sees that you won't beg for his attention or chase after someone who is giving you mixed signals, it sends a powerful message. It tells him that your standards are higher than temporary validation and that your self-respect is not negotiable. Confidence like that naturally owns respect because it shows emotional maturity. Instead of worrying about who else is in his life or constantly checking whether you're receiving enough attention, focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Continue learning, growing, improving your health, pursuing your passions, and building meaningful relationships with people who genuinely value you. Your energy is too valuable to waste on trying to win a competition that should never exist in the first place. If someone truly wants to be with you, they will make consistent efforts to show it through their actions, not just their words. And if they don't, walking away with dignity is far more powerful than staying where you feel overlooked or uncertain. Ironically, when you stop trying to force someone to recognize your value, they often begin to see what makes you different, not because you play the game, but because confidence, independence, and self-respect are qualities that naturally stand out. The right relationship is built on mutual choice, mutual effort, and mutual respect, not on chasing, convincing, or competing for a place in someone's life. When you know your worth, you no longer fight to be chosen. You simply choose the people who are equally willing to choose you. One of the most attractive qualities anyone can possess is a life filled with purpose. When your happiness depends entirely on one person, every delayed message, canceled plan, or moment of silence feels overwhelming. But when your life is guided by meaningful goals, personal growth, and a clear sense of direction, your confidence becomes much stronger than any temporary disappointment. A woman who has purpose doesn't wake up wondering how to keep someone's attention all day. She wakes up focused on becoming a better version of herself. She invests in her education, develops new skills, takes care of her physical and mental well-being, strengthens her career, and spends time with people who inspire her to grow. These choices don't just improve her life, they create an energy that naturally attracts respect and admiration. A man notices when a woman has dreams that extend beyond the relationship because it shows that she is emotionally secure and capable of creating her own happiness. Instead of expecting someone else to complete her life, she invites them to become part of a life that is already meaningful. That mindset removes pressure from the relationship and replaces it with genuine appreciation. Love becomes a choice instead of a necessity. It also changes the way you respond to challenges. Rather than panicking when things don't go as planned, you remain grounded because your identity isn't built around another person's approval. Every achievement, every new experience, and every goal you accomplish adds another layer to your confidence. You become more interesting because you're constantly learning, evolving, and creating new stories to tell. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate purpose because purpose creates passion, and passion creates confidence. The greatest investment you can ever make is not in trying to control someone else's feelings, but in becoming the person you are proud to see in the mirror every day. When your life is rich with ambition, gratitude, and self-improvement, you stop chasing validation and start attracting healthier relationships. The strongest connections are formed when two people with meaningful lives choose to walk forward together, supporting each other's dreams while continuing to grow as individuals. The greatest test of confidence is not how you act when everything is going well, but how firmly you protect your standards when someone challenges them. Too many people lower their expectations because they fear losing someone they care about. They ignore disrespect, excuse inconsistent behavior, and accept less than they deserve simply to keep a relationship alive. And every time you compromise your values to avoid being alone, you slowly teach others that your boundaries can be ignored. A woman with genuine self-respect understands that love should never require sacrificing her dignity. She communicates honestly, expects mutual respect, and isn't afraid to walk away from situations that repeatedly fail to meet healthy standards. It doesn't mean becoming cold, demanding, or impossible to clear. It means owning the difference between healthy compromise and accepting behavior that damages your peace of mind. A mature relationship is built on trust, honesty, consistency, and mutual effort. If those qualities are missing, no amount of chasing, pleading, or hoping will create the relationship you deserve. When you calmly stand by your values without anger or drama, you send a powerful message about how you expect to be treated. People who genuinely respect you will appreciate your honesty and work to build a stronger connection. Those who only wanted convenience or control may choose to leave. And while that can be painful, it also creates space for healthier relations into your life. Every strong boundary is an act of self-love because it protects your emotional well-being and reminds you that your worth is not determined by someone else's choices. Confidence grows every time you honor your own values instead of abandoning them for temporary approval. The strongest relationships are never built on fear of losing each other. They are built on two people who freely choose to love, respect, and support one another every day. When you protect your standards with quiet confidence, you attract people who appreciate your strength, respect your character, and value the person you truly are instead of the version of you that constantly seeks acceptance.